मनसि प्रतिष्ठिता मनो मे वाचि प्रतिष्ठितम् आविराविर्म एधि वेदस्य म आनीस्थः श्रुतं मे मा प्रहासीर्.
Welcome to the Heritage Institute of Technology. All of you are in a mind having a little bit of anxiety, having a lot of hope, having some thought about your child, thinking that they are almost or they have crossed 18 years and now ready to fly in the bigger world.
Compass. Now compass again has a dual meaning. One, we are aware that a compass is a device which shows us in the way that we are going. And sometimes if we are off track, we look at the compass and it brings us back. I'm not talking about Google Maps today. Good old-fashioned compass which always points due north up ahead. At the same time, the word compass actually is an acronym. It means campus orientation meetings to provide personal and academic success.
Satyam pada dharmanchara swadhyaya anma pramadah acharyaya priyam dhanavaditya prajatantam mapyavachhetsi satyana pramalitavyam dharmanna pramalitavyam kushalanna pramalitavyam.
I welcome you all to be part of an enthusiastic journey. Over the year, this institution has produced more than 17,000 engineering professionals who have made a mark in their domain all across the globe.
I'd just like to say that we should treat life as a pilgrimage and not as a cruise. The pilgrimage, you know where you're going. You work on that. In a cruise, you just moving around wherever you want. Take life easy. To treat life as a pilgrimage. And this phase of life is a new phase, next station in your pilgrimage.
The education that one acquires has to be relevant to the changing needs of the industry, and I come from the industry, and I can tell you a lot of gap still exists. So the academic institutions have to prepare for this challenge, prepare the students. And what do the students do? One of the most powerful tools that you possess is the power of curiosity. And it is this curiosity that drives innovation, that pushes you to ask why, what if, and to explore the unknown.
First and foremost, I would like to congratulate each one of you for starting a new chapter in your life. I know you would hate to be reminded that you're just out of school, but that's the truth. You've just completed your basic education and now you're going to start the journey of your professional education, which would actually become the milestone or stepping stone for your career ahead, which you would be living for next 30-40 years.
You have now come to a great place, Heritage Institute of Technology, and we all like to carry this tag with us. I'm from here, I'm from there. What he said is that Shah Rukh Khan was from also a good place, studied in St. Columbus in Delhi. And he said, but one thing that I've learned is that what is important is that you do something great so that the institute can say, X studied in my institute. And that's really what you should be doing.
সাইকোলজিতে একটা টার্ম আছে, অপটিমিজম বায়াস বলে একটা টার্ম আছে। কি শব্দটা? অপটিমিজম বায়াস। বায়াস মানে বুঝেন তো আপনারা? প্রবণতা। And there is a tendency to be optimistic about the future. এটা হচ্ছে কি আমাদের একটা সমস্যা। সো আপনার ছেলে মেয়েদের জন্য যখন চিফ গেস্টরা কথা বলছিল আপনারা শুনলেন তো এখান থেকে, হ্যাঁ, এই পয়েন্টটা কিন্তু উনি হিন্ট করেছিলেন।
स्टार्टिंग से लेकर के अभी जो मोटिवेट कर रहे थे, जो प्रिंसिपल सर ने कहा, बहुत कुछ वो क्या होता है कि हम लोग भी अपने बच्चों को बचपन से वो सिखाते आ रहे हैं। तो सर ने भी सेम लाइक जैसे सर ने कहा कि आप फर्स्ट पेरेंट, ठीक है, और सेकेंडरी है सर, तो लाइक अ पेरेंट ही सर ने सब कुछ हम लोगों को समझाया। मुझे अच्छा लगा, उनका जो थिंकिंग है बहुत अच्छा लगा।
Heritage because we all know of the prestige and the environment that it supports us here. And I have my brothers and sisters who also recommended this college. So it's not new for me, but I knew what Heritage will be providing me. So I think it's the best option for me.
As far as my research, I have come to know that Heritage serves the best faculty for biotechnology, and also the lab equipments and all. Everything is just well furnished and everything is up to the mark. So I'd go for biotechnology in Heritage only.
Heritage, I think, is a very good institution and ragging-free institution. So we're proud for that and waiting for coming 4 years. What is the result?